I'm actually pretty impressed with this. It's not a piece of crap like I expected. It's all metal, comes together with nuts and bolts. You got all these inserts there. Let's see how it goes. This is really impressive. The only problem is we're gonna put the ducks in here. And this is perfect for chickens. The ducks are not gonna be jumping up high this way. So we might actually swap the chickens and ducks. Let me show you what we got right now. So we had this one for about 3 years. The original one literally rotted away in a month. So I went back to Tractor Supply, they gave it a new one. And this one's been pretty good. We wrap it in plastic every winter. I had to replace the thing on the bottom because the tray, I did it at AZAC. Only problem we got now, we got rats. See all that holes? That's all rats. And they made their way inside the chicken coop. They can't really make their way inside of this because I replaced the bottom of this. This is a solid piece of plywood. And there's the neck. Well, we'll get it later. But problem is, we got a lot more dogs than we used to, and they can't fit in here, barely. So that's why we're replacing this. So I think I'm gonna wind up putting ducks in here and rearrange this somehow and put a chicken someplace else. We'll see. That's my wife's department. So here's final product. Obviously we're not going to use the side doors and all that because it really is for the ducks. So I attached it over there. We got a wire, buried on the ground, and then so this little morpho's got real serious Napoleon complex. The big rooster's cool, but the little one. Anyway, so basically once the little chickens are big enough, all I have to do is take the section out, and now the chicken's gonna have a little more room, and I can even take this coop and take it out of here. So yeah, it's a little rednecky. I mean, we started with this one, but somehow we just outgrew that one, and yeah. Ducks are nice and happy. I got plenty of room. And most importantly, my wife is happy. And happy wife equals happy life. I'll see you on the next one.